Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am George, and welcome back, Ryan, to the channel. It's been a minute.
Yes.
Ryan's been my partner in crime in this industry for going on 20 years now, and for most of those 20 years, we've been fans of Bremont.
Yes.
We've loved them ever since, and have been helping them grow in the U.S. and tell their story. This year, something happened.
Yeah, it did.
Kind of a big change. There was a huge influx of capital to Bremont. Bill Ackman, the Ackman Group, something to the tune of like $65-70 million. He invested. He's a primary investor in Bremont. We've kind of been waiting to see what that kind of capital does to a brand. And this year we got our answer. Now I'm fortunate in my job. I get to go out to Watches and Wonders, Geneva, and see all the product firsthand. Most of you guys know, most of your original viewers know that I go radio dark. I like to be surprised by what I see when I go see these brands. And nothing surprised me more than Bremont this year. Like walking up to the booth, the font was wrong. There's a new logo. And my brain kind of just locked up for a minute. I'm like, is there like, Bremont?
What is this?
They make shoelaces? Like, what is this? Yeah, we can get into the facts and figures later. What I'm really curious about, now that we have the whole collection together, what are your thoughts?
Okay, so hear me out on this one. I love it, first of all. I just want to say that right off the bat. But it's kind of a cross between like Indiana Jones and Seinfeld in my mind. And I know that sounds so far-fetched.
Okay.
If you actually like look at this. So like if you look at the dial, it kind of gives me like that really retro vibe.
Sure.
Like Indiana Jones-esque, like something that he would probably be wearing. But then if you look at the bracelet, it reminds me of those early Seinfeld episodes of him wearing that bullet bracelet from Breitling, if you guys know that. But like it's kind of like a cross between the two, and I absolutely love it. Like one of my favorite dials is definitely by far the green. Yeah. Like actually I kind of prefer the Terra Nova line over the brand new Supermarine line, even though I love the blue bezel on those ones.
It's already sold, right?
It's already sold,
we didn't even have it here to
like 5 seconds
for this video. I do like, at least on the Supermarine, real entry price point. I like that.
Great price point.
Entry brand. And aluminum bezels are back.
Yes.
Along with faux patina, I like real patina.
Yes.
Yep.
And I think that brings me back to the whole Indiana Jones thing. You're gonna see it kind of war torn and faded and all that stuff. Like I can't wait to see like the green or the blue that pops really, really well kind of fade over time and kind of like those nice like Pepsi vibes or the old Kermit vibes.
It's funny too. A lot of people threw some shade on the brand. I think people, one, are afraid to change.
Correct.
And I think a lot of people are in our line of work. Negativity equals clicks.
Correct.
And I think those who scream negative get more value from that.
Yeah.
If I'm feeling bad about something, you probably just won't hear me talk about it, frankly.
Yeah.
I loved it when I first saw it. I like the price point. I clearly see what their intent was here.
Oh, absolutely.
This is a scalable business model, which, love it or not, Bremont really hasn't had. They've been single focused on their goal of bringing fine watchmaking back to Great Britain, and they succeeded.
Yeah.
They
absolutely.
succeeded. And now it might be time to put more of their watches out there on more people's wrists. So I would love to know your comments and your thoughts on it, good or bad. This is something new to us. So again, I just want to welcome my partner in crime back to the channel. It's always good to have you here. Please like and subscribe. If you're traveling, we have a store up in Aspen. I highly suggest you go up and say hi to Harry and Emery for us. And if you're down here, stores in North Scottsdale at Flagship, and we are at Scottsdale Fashion Square. So say hi to the boys down there for us too. Thanks.